My name is Viana. I'm a senior test engineer at Entrust. And I'm here to demo the BeyondInsight BeyondTrust product integration with the nShield HSMs from Entrust. What I have here is a Windows 2019 server with the BeyondInsight BeyondTrust product already installed. Okay, and I also have set up the nShield software, and I connected two HSMs to this server. So I can show this here. Okay, and you can see that I have version 12.70.4 for the nShield software, and I installed connected two modules to HSMs with version 12.50.11 and 12.60.10 for the image version, and we have two of these connected. Okay, we also created a soft card that we're going to use for the integration. So I want to point out also that we use a Microsoft SQL Server 2019 for the database, and that's located on a separate server. So when you install BeyondInsight, it's going to ask you for a database, and that's how we set it up. So once the software is installed, what you're going to do is you're going to go to press the start button on Windows and go to apps, and you're going to find iDigital Security that was set up by BeyondTrust. Click there, and you're going to find a utility called BeyondInsight Configuration. That's what we're going to use to set up HSM integrated. So we click here. This comes up. If you look on the right side on all these links here, the last link is Configure HSM Credentials. That's what we're going to use to do the configuration. Okay. So we're going to click here. This UI comes up. It's pretty much empty right now. So you're going to do edit and add new HSM credential. When you do that, you're going to have a new field is entered here, and you're going to have to fill in all this information. The driver path that's asking here is for the PKCS11 library that came with the nShield software. So if you click for you need to provide the 32-bit and the 64-bit driver. So you click here, and the drivers are located on the Program Files, Encipher, and Fast Toolkits PKCS11 folder. There you find the two drivers. Here's the 32-bit one. Click on it. I'm going to select the 64-bit one now. When you do that, the slots on the HSMs are all configured here. Whatever is configured shows up here. So you can use the accelerated slot 0, or in my case, I'm going to use the soft card that I created, which is on slot 1. I have to give it a key name. I'm going to call this soft card HSM slot. Description, soft card, credential, and on the pin I give the password that I used when I created the soft card. So I'll enter the password here. I'll save it. Okay, and you can click here on the key name, and you can test the connection. So I'm going to click here, and you can see that the HSM connection was successful. All right, so this tells me everything is connected. I'll close here, and I'll apply the configuration. When you apply the configuration, it's gonna go and do the configuration for the BeyondTrust BeyondInsight product. So it's gonna set up the web services and all the settings so it can use the HSM credential. Okay. While that's taking place, I'm gonna just show one more thing. If you go to the game data local directory, you're going to be able to see, make this big, a little bit bigger, and you can see here the keys that got created. Okay, and you have the soft card here, so that shows that the integration was successful. Let me minimize this. This is still taking place. Once the BeyondInsight utility finishes configuring, you're going to have to log back into BeyondInsight BeyondTrust. Thanks for watching.